I know you are a Tai Chi practitioner. I'm going to share the 3 stages to transform your Tai Chi to being like an immortal. First stage, one practice Tai Chi. It's just like a Tai Chi Chuan, like a physical exercise, or like a martial art. So, okay, I go with a fist. I pray. This is a palm. Then this is a kick. Okay, focus more about the physical form, the posture, the martial application maybe. So this is just the first level. It's a bit far from like an immortal. Eventually, we say for health's sake, for the reason to live long and live well, you must go to the level to practice like a Qigong. So we call it a Qigong Tai Chi. So has the coordination with your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So, absolutely, you will have the coordination of the movement and the breath with your qi. So here, qi means breath. Has very good coordination with your breath. This is the second stage. I'd like to invite you to join my free 4-week courses, which helps you to raise your energy and calm your mind. Week 1, we'll explore the Taoist approach to wellness. Mastering meditation is the focus of week 2. Week 3, delves into Qigong in depth. In week 4, immerse yourself in the art of Tai Chi. So I sincerely welcome you to join my free 4-week courses. See you there. Wish you live long and live well. So through more practice, eventually, you go to the level you practice Tai Chi Chuan, like forgetting this is a physical form. It's just like you are expressing the Taoist philosophy with the body language. So you think you are upper connecting with the heaven, down with the earth. You are really like immortal, waving your hands. Like immortal. In this stage, so it's very slow posture, slow movement, more meditative. You forget the action. It's like a non-action. You simply like coming back to Wuji, and still you feel you are so grand. You are like immortal, like the wind, like the chirping birds, like nothing. You will feel 100% happy, enjoyment of everything. So I believe with the persistent practice, you can go these 3 stages to be an immortal. Thank you for watching.